Have you ever wanted to add extra lines to a cell? Not wrap the text because you don't want to go out that far, you just want to add an extra line. I'm Tina Pomgren, your Wizard of Automation, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm just going to create an address, and instead of hitting enter right now, I'm going to hit Alt+Enter, the Alt key plus the enter. So hold them both down and hit together, and then I can continue to type in here. I'm going to hit Alt+Enter again, and it's going to give me another row, or another line within. It's not giving me a new row, it's giving me another line within the cell itself. All right, so now when I move out of there, you can see that it actually created a much larger row. And if I copy this, it copies the entire thing. When I'm in this cell, you can only see Tina Pomgren, but if you click down on that portion, you will see the whole thing. So if you want to learn more about Excel, I am here to help with small tasks and different things to help you automate Excel and make Excel work for you, taking you from Excel to Excel. So click on the link or type in the bit.ly.excel support, and let's talk and see how Excel can work for you. Have a great day.